My name is Jonathan Urasimides. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon. My specialty is primary and revision hip replacement. So I came to Louisville in the year 2000 for residency training at that time. So I've been here in this community for over 20 years. I originally came from the Kansas City area. I grew up in a small town outside of Kansas City called Richmond, Missouri. But then went to medical school and my undergrad in Kansas City at University of Missouri, Kansas City. And I went to a combined 6-year program because I kind of knew what I was going to do coming out of high school. I always knew I wanted to be a surgeon specifically. I didn't know what kind of surgeon at that time, but I knew I wanted to be a surgeon. So straight out of high school, went into a 6-year program where we went to school year-round to squash 8 years down into 6. Finished there, got a match for my residency here in Louisville, and outside of the year I went to Los Angeles to do my fellowship in hip and pelvis reconstruction. I've been here ever since. I grew up in a medicine family. My dad was a general surgeon, my mom was a radiologist, my sister was a radiologist, so maybe I didn't have a choice, I don't know, but that's all I grew up around, and so that's kind of what I knew I wanted to do with my life, and the opportunity presented itself to get into a combined program to shave a couple of years off, and I took it. When I'm not busy at work, I like to hunt, I like to fish, I like to play golf. I like being outdoors. I grew up hunting and fishing my whole life, and so I don't get to do as much of that stuff as I did when I was a kid, of course, but I still enjoy getting out there and hanging out in the woods for a little while.